Morning, everyone. Hello, I'm Tasnia Rahman, a pharmacist and a motivational speaker. Today, I'm come in the morning so that you can enjoy the morning with me. See, the environment is so much silent and so much beautiful, isn't it? Do you know every morning is the blessing of our God? When we wake up from the sleep, this is a really blessing. Because when we sleep, we can't wake up forever. That means we can be dead. Right? So when we wake up from the morning, we must be grateful to our God that He has given us a new day with a new hope. Okay, a day means 24 hours. 24 hours is a long time. We can do lots of positive things in this time. In the 24 hours, we can do many things, This is really a great opportunity for us. In the 24 hours, we can do our regular basis works. We can help people. Maybe for us, some people will be helped. Who needs help, we can help them. We can help them, right? So, don't waste your day. When you wake up in the morning, just thanks to God always and say that I'm from you and I'll to you. And thanks for me for giving the opportunity to wake up from the sleep, right? It should be. We should be grateful to our God in every way. Do you know every morning is a really blessing, not a simple blessing. This is a great blessing for us because we can do a lot of things in a day. We can enjoy our life. We can see the beautiful world, and the most importantly, we can survive. So from now, when you wake up from your sleep, just pray to God and grateful to God always, and use every and each day to do the good things, because our life is too short. We don't know we will be live tomorrow or not. Maybe this is our last day today. Nothing is really beautiful from a beautiful morning. So clamps your mind and set up your mind what you want to do in that day. Okay, then you make a plan. I will do that, I will go there. Then your mindset will be done. Then your all work will be easy for you because you have done a mindset. Then you have must a reason to smile. Don't be sad. Don't be sad when you wake up in the morning, because morning is the beginning of our new life. So when you wake up from sleep, just find a reason to smile. A smile is the beautiful drugs we know, and it's a free drugs for us. It doesn't cost any money. It doesn't cost any tax or VAT. So smile a lot and worries less. then see the life will be so much easier for you. So in this beautiful morning, I'm just pray for you, and I wish you all a blessed full day, and I know you will pass a very good and nice day. Thank you everyone.